1.1 An Astrologer's Day by R.K.Narayan. Brainstorming activity, page number 10, A3. See the sub-question. First one. In the story, the following characters reveal their qualities through words and actions. Pick out the words that describe them from the box and write in the appropriate column. See, one box is given there and some qualities are there. We have to differ the particular character from our story with these characteristics or with these qualities. See, three columns are there: astrologer, Guru Nayak, and astrologer's wife. Understand? I'm going to read the qualities and we have to separate these qualities according to the characters. Now see the first one, shrewd. In Marathi, चतुर किंवा धूर्त. Shrewd कोण होतं? Astrologer himself. So shrewd, that word you have to write in the column of astrologer. Then arrogant. Arrogant, uddhat. Who was arrogant? Guru Nayak. Then overconfident. Astrologer was overconfident. Smart. This quality also related to the astrologer. Astrologer himself was smart. Rational. Rational means yogya. Who was rational? Astrologer's wife. Worried. The same, astrologer's wife. Clever. Who was clever? Astrologer. Demanding. Guru Nayak. He demands. Understand? So, demanding. Manipulative. Astrologer himself. Sorry, Guru Nayak was manipulative. Manipulative means एखाद्या व्यक्तीला असं योग्य पद्धतीने हाताळणे. So Guru Nayak was manipulative. Caring. Astrologer's wife was caring. Then mean. Mean म्हणजे हलक्या जातीचा किंवा मनात कोणता तरी हेतू असणे. So astrologer was mean. Cunning. Cunning and shrewd, both the words have the same meaning. So cunning. Astrologer was cunning. Suspicious म्हणजे संशयास्पद. Suspicious. Who was suspicious? Astrologer's wife. Then antagonistic. Antagonistic, द्वेष करणारा, एखाद्याच्या विषयी मनामध्ये द्वेष, तिरस्कार असणे. So Guru Nayak was antagonistic. Then skeptical. Skeptical means just like suspicious. Guru Nayak was suspicious, skeptical. Then protective. Astrologer's wife. Intuitive. Astrologer himself. Humanistic. Astrologer's wife. Gullible. Gullible means चटकन फसणारा, म्हणजे एखाद्या गोष्टींवर लगेचच विश्वास आपला बसतो अशी व्यक्ती. गलिबल. गुरु नायक हिमसेल्फ वॉज गलिबल. क्वारलसम. वन्स अगेन गुरु नायक. मिस्टिकल. एस्ट्रोलॉजर. शार्प. एस्ट्रोलॉजर. ॲग्रेसिव्ह. ॲग्रेसिव्ह आक्रमक. गुरु नायक. अँड इम्पेट्युअस मीन्स इम्पल्सिव्ह, उतावीळ स्वभाव कोणाचा होता? गुरु नायक. Okay, so these are the qualities and we differentiate between these qualities with the characters from the story. Now see the next one. Match the suffixes with the words and make nouns. One is done for you. See, match the suffixes with the words. Suffixes and prefixes. In 11th standard we saw about the suffixes. Suffixes we attach after the particular word and prefixes before the particular word. Understand? Now see, in one column words are given to you, in the next column suffixes are there, and in the last column you have to make the noun using these suffixes. Okay, the one is done for you. First one, auction. And see, the suffixes are there. You have to choose the correct suffix and you have to attach that particular suffix to that particular word. Now see the first one, auction. And the noun is auctioneer. Okay. Now see, enchant. You have to use the suffix ment for this. And the noun is enchantment. Know, knowledge. Prepare, preparation, proceed, procedure, appear, appearance, and the last one, remark, remarkable. Okay, so just like this you have to complete this table also. Now see the next activity. An astrologer's day has ironic elements where the astrologer pretends to have supernatural knowledge that coincidentally turns out to be the truth. Irony means a situation or statement characterized by a significant difference between what is expected and what actually happens, or between what is understood and what is meant. Find out the examples of irony from the story and write them down. One has been done for you. Now see what the question is about. See the first line of the question. An astrologer's day has ironic elements where the astrologer pretends to have supernatural knowledge that coincidentally turns out to be the truth. See, our astrologer first of all pretended that he had the supernatural knowledge that he can make the prophecy of the particular person. It was his pretend. Understand? But coincidentally, when Guru Nayak came to him, that supernatural knowledge which he was pretending, that knowledge turns out to be the truth. बघा, ॲस्ट्रोलॉजर काय करत होता? प्रिटेंड करत होता. प्रिटेंड म्हणजे ढोंग करणे. आपल्याला काहीतरी सुपरनॅचरल नॉलेज आहे, आपण लोकांचं भविष्य सांगू शकतो, हे त्याचं प्रिटेंड होतं, ढोंग होतं, हो की नाही? त्याला खरंच काही नॉलेज नव्हतं. पण जेव्हा गुरुनायक आलेला आहे आणि गुरुनायकचं भविष्य त्याने सांगितलेलं आहे, सगळं खरं निघालेलं आहे. अंडरस्टँड? सो इट इज कॉल्ड आयरनी. आयरनी म्हणजे उपरोध. म्हणजे त्याला खरंच नॉलेज नव्हतं, पण नंतर गुरुनायकच्या संदर्भात त्याने जे काही सांगितलं ते खरंच निघालं. अंडरस्टँड? इट इज कॉल्ड आयरनी. So irony means a situation or statement characterized by a significant difference between what is expected and what actually happens. What is expected and what actually happens. There is a difference between this, or between what is understood and what is meant. Understand? Such type of difference is called as irony. So in our lesson, many examples of irony are there. We have to find them down and write them down. See, one has been done for you. The first one, he knew no more of what was going to happen to others than he knew what was going to happen to himself the next minute. See, our astrologer is sitting under the tamarind tree to make the prophecy of the other people, but he was not familiar with himself as well as with the other people, as well as with the clients who used to come to him. अंडरस्टँड? त्याला त्याच्या स्वतःच्या लाईफमध्ये नेक्स्ट मिनिटला, नेक्स्ट मोमेंटला काय घडणार आहे माहीत नाहीये, आणि त्याला इतरांचं नॉलेज पण नाहीये, तरी सुद्धा तो लोकांची प्रॉफेसी सांगत होता. सो इट इज कॉल्ड आयरनी. नाउ सी ऑन पेज नंबर 2 you will find the answer of this question. See, page number 2. His eyes sparkled with a sharp abnormal gleam, which was really an outcome of a continual searching look for customers, but which his simple clients took to be a prophetic light and felt comforted. See, in my explanation I told you about it. Whenever he sit under that tamarind tree, he used to look for his customers. But what his customers think about him? That he has a prophetic light in his eyes. His eyes are sparkled. Understand? So it is a irony. Then on page number 3, see, he was as much a stranger to the stars as were his innocent customers. He was as much stranger to the stars. It means that he don't have the knowledge of stars, moon, sun. Understand? But he used to tell the prophecy of the customers. So it is an irony. The next line, he said things which pleased and astonished everyone. That was more a matter of study, practice, and shrewd guesswork. Okay, it is also the example of iron. On page number 4 also there is one example. See, the third line from page number 4. When he told the person before him, gazing at his palm, in many ways you are not getting the fullest results from for your efforts. 9 out of 10 were disposed to agree with him. It was his tact that he used to tell the other people or his clients that in many ways you are not getting the fullest results for your efforts. Understand? He used to tell the people that you are working hard but you result.